Let's go. Let's publish.
That it?
That's it.
Anything from the folks upstairs? No. We gotta start the run or we won't get to the carriers on time.
It's Ben Bradley. Run it.
Yes, sir. Start it up.
I've got the Assistant Attorney General.
Put him on. Good morning.
Good morning. This is William Rehnquist from the Office of Legal Counsel at Justice.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Bradley, I have been advised by the Secretary of Defense that the material published in the Washington Post this morning contains information relating to the national defense of the United States and bears a top-secret classification. As such, the publication of this information is directly prohibited by the Espionage Act, Title 18 of the United States Code, Section 793. As publication will cause irreparable injury to the defense interests of the United States,
You know what my husband said about the news. He called it the first rough draft of history. That's good, isn't it? Oh, well, we don't always get it right. You know, we're not always perfect. But I think if we just keep on it, you know, that's the job, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, Ken Clausen came by to see me earlier.
Oh?
Apparently Justice is still considering criminal charges against us.
They are.
And you're not worried.
Nope, no, Catherine, that's your job.
I suppose it is. Oh, thank God. The court ruling was very clear.
Yeah. I'm sure Nick Nixon will fall right in line.
Yeah, good, because you know, I don't think I could ever live through something like this again.